How to use TCL Smart TV remote control. So power on the TV. Now press the power button on your remote to turn your TCL Smart TV. After that, navigate to the menu. Use the up, down, left and right arrow buttons to navigate through the on-screen menu. Now select the options. So press the OK button to select an option or open an app. And after that, you can now adjust the volume. So use the volume up and volume down button to increase or decrease the sounds. Now to change the channels, use the channel up. As you can see, this is the symbol of it. And now channel down, this is the down arrow button to change the TV channel. So if you want to access the settings, press the home button to open the main menu and then navigate to the settings for the TV customization. You will be able to find the top right corner on the TV. Now if you want to use the import button, press the import button to switch between different devices connected to your TV like HDMI or USB. And after that, you can use the voice control if available. Press the voice button, usually a microphone icon, and you can speak into the remote to search for content or control your TV. Now after that, you can mute the TV. So press the mute button or to turn off the sound temporarily. Press it again to unmute. And now you can turn off the TV. So press the power button again to turn off the TV when you are done. So this is how to use TCL Smart TV remote control. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.